Someone is tracking you. You are being tracked.
Now, this is a great question. This is pertaining to what are their roles when it comes to killing the cancer. Specifically in this video, I was talking about NK cells and a little bit about CD8s and how they kill a cancer cell. But what do macrophages and dendritic cells do? If you haven't seen this somewhat hilarious video of me eating out of a trash can mimicking a macrophage doing phagocytosis, I'd encourage you to check it out. But this is the function of a macrophage, eating and destroying the debris that's found within the body. But the role's a little bit different in cancer. Now, there's some evidence that people can target macrophages in cancer therapy and start this process of phagocytosis of the cancer cells and this cytotoxic killing of the cancer. But there's also evidence that tumor-associated macrophages can contribute to tumor-promoting inflammation by secreting various pro-inflammatory cytokines. Not only can these cytokines promote tumor growth, but also the macrophages themselves can have checkpoint inhibitors that can block the activity of the other immune cells that would contribute towards killing the cancer, making them even more dangerous in this situation. Now, if you see my Day 9 of Random Facts video, I talk about dendritic cells and the role they play in the immune system. And in cancer, dendritic cells still perform this function. They take parts of the cancer, break it down, and present it as antigen to the T cells in order to get this response that should kill the cancer. Now, the problem is at a certain point, cancer can also exhibit these checkpoint inhibitors that can block and turn off the function of dendritic cells, stopping them from being able to present to these T cells, essentially allowing the cancer to grow with no immune response capable of stopping it. This is why some of these checkpoint therapies are so important in that it allows the immune system to function without all the dysregulation that can occur from either the cancer or other cell types that can promote the cancer.